Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Today I want to show you how to import data into RStudio using a notepad instead of Excel. So let's go back to our Excel sheet. Here is the data that I would like us to copy into our notepad. Then we export the data using the notepad to our RStudio. So we come here, select the data, can click Control Shift, and we get a arrow, and then the downward arrow. Remember, when importing data into a notepad, importing data into RStudio using notepad, we would like let us just use the numerical part. We are going to name the naming part. We're going to do it in the RStudio. So select your data. After selecting your data, copy the data into RStudio. Mine, I had already copied the data. So I'm going direct to my sheet, to my notepad. Here is my data for the remember, this data was collected from the WHO. It's a Kenyan life table. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you leave a space there. Remember, you never copied the names of the columns, so make sure that you leave a space at the top. So you leave a space of where we're going to name the data. So save the data, the name that you would like to save it. Mine, I've saved LCM. So let's go back to RStudio. So when you come here to RStudio, you're going to give the name that you would like to use here in the RStudio. Then here we're not going to use CSV. We are going to use here we're going to use read.table instead, and txt instead of CSV, because we are using the notepad. So you will have to copy the path that to the where the data has been stored. So to do this, we are going to where you have stored the data, then right click the data, after right clicking, now after right clicking, you can see here is the path that we're going to copy. Make sure you copy it correctly. Then after copying the path, make sure that you change this backslash to forward slash. I've already done mine. Then going to run this code. And then you have to write this code to remember you never gave the columns their names. So you're going to write this code gives each and every column its name. So let's call the data and check if everything is in order. Let's go back to the top. You can see each and every column has been given its name. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.